are downsizing. There's supposed to be furniture at it, and it started 2.5 hours ago.
Okay. Okay, so here we are.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Let's see what they got. It looks like a dresser with a huge mirror on it, but it's like my mom and dad's old one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The price is good.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello. Yeah, it's still morning.
Yeah, yeah.
Not for long. Tick, tick, tick.
It's a Harley Davidson hoodie.
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Like for you or for me?
Either or.
Yeah.
If it's too big for you, it'll fit me. If it's too small for me, it'll fit you.
Yep.
So, I think so.
Okay. Oh, look at this little guy. It's so cute. But what would I don't know what they sell for when they're that little.
Okay.
Because it's too small for a plant.
Yeah.
And people like to use them for plants.
Okay.
Like even if they're really big, even if they have a crack, it doesn't matter because people put a plant in it.
Okay. Here's a little change purse made out of like gum wrappers.
Oh, neat.
Oh yeah, even on the inside.
Yep. Must be brought back from somewhere probably.
Yeah, probably. Candy wrappers and stuff. Pretty neat.
Okay, just this guy.
Hey,
I will leave you the hanger. There you go.
you got a Harley Davidson purse. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, thank you. I got it, it's like, not a secret Santa, but like a family exchange.
Oh.
I know, I was like, it's not junk. You know, sometimes you get stuff and you're like, come on.
Like a bop it?
Yeah, yeah, some goofy game. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, I've had this bag for, geez, years.
A while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably at least
Very
10
nice.
years, and I use
Yeah.
it all the
Oh,
time.
yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
I know. I had Harley boots and they lasted longer than any pair of boots I ever owned, and they were like solid, like thick leather boots. So
Yeah.
great quality clothing.
Yes.
Get it every time we can, especially prices like that.
That's a $80 hoodie.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah. Just wash it out.
I mean, in the store.
Yeah.
To resell it, still more than 10. We're not gonna resell
No.
it, but yeah, if we were to buy that in the store, for sure, 60, 80 bucks.
Yeah. It's crazy.
The joke around here is the HD doesn't stand for Harley Davidson, it stands for $100.
Yeah.
Because you're at least spending $100 you go into the Harley Davidson store.
Yeah. This one is today only, and it started 3 hours ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that say please?
I don't know. Should we drive around?
Okay.
No signs. I have a feeling this one was maybe on last. Oh, well. Someone pulled over out there. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Here we go.
Oh, it's an old chair. So just, are you gonna or where you can park?
I think right here.
Okay.
Oh, haha! I hit the recycle bin.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
That's why we can't have nice vehicles.
Oh, I gotta change the
Because
battery.
you drive them.
Yeah, this is true. You can go if you like. I'll meet you there.
Okay. This table and chairs is extremely cute.
I know, I saw it. It's probably the first thing I'll walk up to when I get out there.
Yeah. This is nice too. Is this for sale?
Yeah, it could be. You don't use it, so.
Yeah. It's nice, eh?
Yeah. Wow, look at this.
It's another one of those vases that Angie wants.
Oh,
I think.
yeah. Teardrop and pearl.
Yeah, I think that's the same one, isn't it?
It is.
Okay.
That's neat.
This here, and
Yeah.
that's nice too. If you had like a nautical kind of.
You don't think you can sell that mirror? An $8 mirror? No. Surprising.
Oh, that's real feathers. What's that?
It's a lampshade.
Yeah. Neat.
Wow.
That feels nice.
Totally does. Really neat. I wonder if that goes on this.
Oh, maybe.
Is that the stand?
Oh, okay. 'Cause I was just admiring the shade. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's so neat.
I like that one. It would be good on our lamp that we just got. Lots of nice things here. Yeah, that's really cute.
Pretty wobbly.
Oh, what's this guy honking about? Oh, are you in front of his garage
Am
maybe? I don't know. Here, give me that.
Are you trying to park there?
Yeah, okay. Oops. Of course.
Yeah.
I thought he was honking because he couldn't get by, and I was like, please.
Yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry about that.
She didn't yell at him, so that's good. Yeah, that's what I was like when I saw her pull over. I thought she was honking because she couldn't get by. Yeah.
No, there was definitely room to get by.
Yeah, that's what.
Her
Yeah.
driveway.
So, that's just really cute. But what would we do with it?
That's what I was just going to ask you. What are you going to do with it?
I don't know, but it's just really
Cute project.
cute. Yeah.
Garage sale?
Yeah.
It is cute. You're right.
So, and then what were you thinking on that?
Uh,
And then this, how much is this?
$2. I don't know, 40?
Yeah, I'll give you 40 for it.
Okay.
Perfect.
This stuff out of the way.
Does the top of it come off? It looks
go.
like it probably does. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's even easier. Yay! Stick this in the, I'll put this in the truck and then I'll,
Okay.
okay.
Think both pieces are going to fit in the back with the table in the back?
Yeah,
Okay.
if we put them in this way.
Okay.
Okay, which one you want to put in first? Although we have to lay the top part down. I don't know. Or put it
I think we
upside
should put
down.
the bottom in first.
Okay, well help me.
Because it's bigger.
Okay. Well, we'll take the top over and set up aside,
Okay.
and then we'll.
Yep.
Oh my God, $40 is so good. These sell for hundreds.
Sweet.
Yeah. Check, see if there's any treasures in there before you let it go.
Grandma's diamonds in there.
Yeah, I hope so. Don't look too hard. Good? Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay.
You're gonna lift it over this.
Yep. Should we lay it down on its back? I think we probably
Yeah, because it's gonna
roll around.
roll around. I'll let
But
you
then-
get up there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, to move it forward a bit so I can lay it down. A little more.
I can't. It's not really on the wheels anymore, so I can lift it.
Okay.
It's heavy.
I know. Is it in?
Yeah,
Okay. Now can we put the other piece like
I
here?
think so.
Now, when it's
Probably not by myself.
okay. So top down. This is gonna be top heavy.
Yeah.
So let's top down,
Okay.
doors in.
Yes.
Okay. So we gotta turn it upside down. Oh,
The
shelves.
drawer or the shelf. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there just the one shelf?
I don't know. Hold on. You got it? You holding it?
Yeah. There.
Okay.
I laid it down. That's got a shelf.
Yeah, that's it. And this is where the flower bin was. That'll be fine.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's all right. I had to adjust my grip there.
Okay, so hold on. This is bird's eye maple.
Yeah, on the bottom.
I know. Weird. Okay. And I'll put the table here.
Beauty. Oh, we did it. Tetris skills prevail again.
Yeah. Oh, I could fit 3 more dressers in here.
You probably could. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck's wrong with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that was pretty good.
Yeah. $40, that's a Hoosier.
So, you figure that thing's worth $100, a couple $100?
At least.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you'll do well on that. You're gonna resell that? Mm-hmm. Nice.
But that style of cabinet is... Before you had kitchen cabinets in your kitchen, you had furniture like that and a table and other things, but you didn't have like all the cabinets like we have now.
Mhm.
So